Hi everyone, welcome back to another edition of One Meal a Day Modified and the Velvet Lounge Life. Yes, I am doing this in conjunction with the Velvet Lounge Life, so this video will be posted here as well as there. And this is not a sponsored video, but today is one of our vegetarian days. And so I wanted to have a burger, decided to try something different. And as you can see, I have Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger. It's plant-based, 100%. But the thing I also like about it is it's soy-free. And some people might care that it's also gluten-free. When you purchase this, when you get home, you want to put it immediately into the refrigerator. That's something that I learned. Also, if it's sold frozen, that's actually better, I think. It keeps it fresher because remember, you are dealing with vegetables here. They do have easy, and I do mean super easy cooking instructions. I actually made mine in the skillet, and it says 3 minutes per side. I was afraid that it would be undercooked, so I did like 4, maybe 4.5 minutes per side. And as far as calories go, one patty has 270 calories, and 170 of those calories come from fat. Why? Because they put canola oil and coconut oil in it. And once again, plenty of plant-based alternatives, I guess I'll call them, are in here. So what I did is I made my burger into a wrap, and I simply cut it in half to fit it in here. And this is what it looks like when it's cooked. Now what I did to mine is I added some basil, which was dried. I added some garlic powder, black pepper, and just regular table salt because I wanted to get the iodine in there. So this is what it looks like cooked. Looks pretty good. Honestly, when I smelled it before cooking it, it sort of reminded me of potted meat a little bit. I don't know, just did. On my wrap, I have a bunch of veggies, as well as I put some steak sauce and mustard on this. So overall, out of 5, a rating of 5, I would give this a score of probably 3.5. Is it something I would have again? I think so. It would be interesting to see how it comes out on the grill. Just from cooking it in the skillet, I'm not sure how that would work without it falling apart. I think you would have to cook it on top of some aluminum foil on the grill. Just a little, tip there. But, like I said, it's not bad. You definitely need some steak sauce, mustard, if you like that kind of thing. And I do believe that the extra fresh veggies eaten with the burger definitely help a lot. So thank you for tuning in. Have a great day. Remember that health is wealth.